court. That place you stop in.
I know.
So what was that word?
Inhospitable.
I really don't think that's a word.
It's a word.
I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna Google it.
Do it.
What the fuck? What did he do? What did he do? Did you pull your dick out? Is that what you did?
No, I came close though.
Oh. He came close. Oh my god. So can we put these on Facebook? Yeah. Oh fuck. We love you, Coda.